To simplify 3x to the second power, y to the third power, raised to the third power, we're going to distribute the exponent on the outside to each one of the bases inside the parentheses. So this is 3 to the third power, x squared to the third power, y cubed to the third power. 3 to the third power means 3 times 3 times 3. X squared raised to the third power means you keep the base, you multiply the exponents. Y to the third raised to the third power, keep the base, multiply the exponents. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, x to the sixth, y to the ninth. 27x to the sixth, y to the ninth. Another way to simplify this is if you see this as 3x squared y to the third raised to the third power, this means that the entire base inside the parentheses has to be multiplied by itself 3 times. So this means 3x to the second, y to the third, times 3x to the second, y to the third, times 3x squared, y to the third. And then if we use the commutative property of multiplication, this really means that we're going to multiply 3 times 3 times 3. And then we're going to multiply x squared times x squared times x squared. And that also means that we're going to multiply y to the third times y to the third times y to the third. So 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. X squared times another x squared times another x squared. You keep the base and you add the exponents. And then y cubed times y cubed times y cubed. We also keep the base and add the exponents. So this becomes 27x to the sixth, y to the ninth. X squared means there's two x's being multiplied, 2 more and 2 more, so that's a total of 6. Y cubed also means y to the ninth.